Hi everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video I'll show you step by step how to permanently delete your YouTube account or channel. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Google account that you'll see written under your name and email. This option will take you directly into your Google account settings, which is where you manage everything connected to your YouTube. Once you're inside Google account, swipe over to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down slowly until you reach the section called Delete a Google Service and tap on it. For security, Google will ask you to verify it's you, so enter your password or use any other verification method. Now you'll see a list of all Google services linked to your account. Look for YouTube in that list. Next to it, you will notice a trash bin icon. Tap on that icon and it will open the YouTube deletion page. Here Google gives you two different choices. The first one is to hide your channel, which makes your content and activity private but doesn't delete it. The second option is to permanently delete your YouTube content. If you really want to delete your channel, select the permanent option. Carefully read the warnings, then check the boxes to confirm that you understand all your videos, playlists, comments, and other data will be permanently removed. Once you're ready, tap on Delete My Content. After this step, your YouTube channel is gone forever. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so be very sure before proceeding. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you understand the process clearly. If you found this guide useful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to Guide Pro for more easy and helpful tech tutorials. Hi everyone,